All right, here's our 3D rendering. A little tricky to do the hood, but you get the general idea where the sides would be sloped and sloped in on the front. 36-inch range, splice pull-out, tray divider. This would be filled in. It works better with doing a blind corner unit instead of a lazy Susan. So you do have space all the way into the corner. Sink is centered on the window. Dishwasher to the right, drawer stack, open cabinet on the base, doors. This could be made to fit those card holders, glass, and this cabinet's deeper than these uppers. Pantry to the left of the built-in fridge, panels on the fridge, and the island, we have 4 feet in between here and here. The cabinets are 36 deep. And then we'll have the thick, bulky X crosshatch panels on the sides here, and then a 12-inch overhang on the back. So we have 12-inch deep cabinets on the back of the island. Drawer stacks on either side, standard cabinet in the middle. Hope I got this right. And then this, as far, obviously this wall is removed, that's currently here. That should be a pretty accurate measurement with that window. And I know that window is wider, but I just ended the vault at the peak of the ceiling. All right, thank you.